Okay, let's do this. Welcome, game developers and boppers, to Doug Teaches Ue4 mini tutorials. Yeah. Ooh, okay, so let's... Fuck you. Let's get out of the basilisk. How are we going to do that? Okay, so first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to add a variable for this thing. I'm going to say is possessed. Okay. By default, it's going to be set to false. Right. Why are we doing that? Because in here, we have to set is possessed to true. And then when we exit, we basically set is possessed back to false. So that way... Oh, right. So how will we do that? Alright, so on use, right? We wanna, because we gotta get the basilisk reference. How are we going to do this with multiple vehicles? Okay, so, long story. Are we gonna do the same thing, like put all the classes in here for the vehicles? Essentially, yeah. Oh, okay. So, we have to get is possessed. And we want to branch this out. Plug this into pressed. On false, we continue onward. Okay. So, is there another way we can do it instead of just putting it all in one class? Okay, so, like, let's just say, for all intents and purposes, you want to do, like, what's another vehicle we can possess? We have the hover vehicle. Where's the Space Marine? Shit. Is this the Chaos Rhino? Yes. Yeah, it's the Chaos Rhino. Okay. So, what we then do is, we'd say, okay, get all actors of class, Chaos Rhino, blah, blah, blah. We basically copy this entire thing, but instead, get all actors of class, and we just say Chaos Rhino. Okay. And like before, we have to stick this in a for each loop. And then, from there, array element, promote that to a variable. And we just say C Rhino. You just spelled C Rono. Fine, Chrono ref. Fuck it. Put that in the loop body. In fact, if we wanted to do some more error checking, because this is all happening in event begin play, we got to take that out. Why? Because event begin play only runs once. We want to constantly do it, so we have to put this in an event tick. Why do we want to put this in an event tick? Because keep in mind, when you're playing an online game, right? Vehicles constantly respawn. Oh, so if it's going to run an event begin play, it'll only run once. So if we're outside of that loop, then we're fucked. So this is going to constantly update when there are more vehicles. Exactly. When the vehicles respawn, this will keep updating. Okay. So now, where's the use key again? Oh, there it is. So what we can do is, from here, right? We can say get distance. No. We get the Rhino ref. And we also compare it. We see which is shorter. So let's get this, and then get distance to. We get it, and we get it to that, and then we basically say if this is less than or equal. Well, if this is less than, boom, we plop it in. So if this is less than this, we can still, yeah. So when we have, so if it's false, then what we do is we get this. We'll get another distance to, plop that in, and then we'd say if this is less than or equal to, and I'll just say again 200, Then from there, we just Control W, plop that in, but you'd still need to make a possessed thing. Ow! Oh, okay. Oh, shit. That's a shitload of air checking. Yeah, that's why it's easy. That's why I was saying, like, it's easier to put all of the vehicles in, like, one class. So that way this thing won't be so fucking massive. Oh, okay. So yeah, you're gonna have to constantly check. Okay, so let's plug this back in, because I don't want to. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, boop, boop, boop. What was I gonna do? Oh right, I have to set is possessed to true. Set is possessed. I want to set that to true. We also need to go in here. You know what? Let's get rid of this. Why? Because while it was working, you noticed I just noticed the basilisk was up in the air. So it's constantly colliding with the player. Can't we just turn player collision off? It's just fucking teleport. Where is the... Do I have the teleport thing? Oh, I think you unclicked it. Ah, fuck. So, yes, that is a teleport. Okay. So I'll just plug this in. Plug that in. Okay. But there's something else we gotta do. What do I mean? See, we have to get out of this vehicle. So that means we need to actually have a player reference in here. How will we do that? There are multiple ways. We can, on event begin play, we get the player character. And this is going to change because we're eventually going to do multiplayer replication. When are we going to do that? You have to tell people when we're actually going to do multiplayer replication. Honestly, it's probably going to be after break, because I'll tell you this right now. 25th and the 1st, I'm taking off. I'm not doing a damn thing. Maybe the 8th too. But we still need to do iron sight aiming, so... 22nd, like I said last time. Alright, you said that last time. So, what are you doing? Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to cast this. Cast to Astra Militarum Infantry. Okay. And then what we can do is we can promote this to a variable. And we just say, yeah, Astra Ref. Okay. So we're done? No. Why? Because here, you could say this is an extra step. I don't care. This is just, I'm safety this. Get a reference to self. Okay. Then we get the basilisk ref. Okay. And now we have to set Astra Ref to ourself. Oh, okay. So that way, yeah, so that way we can just do that. I said Astra Ref self, thank you. Hey, people, if you like Dune, if you like the Dune movie, watch the Slab Lounge podcast. Fucking, God, shut up. What? It's true. Alright. I'll link if you guys want some hilarity, because we talk about... Shut up. Because we do talk about Crystal Meth Lady, and that was hilarious. Okay. Alright. So now, what we need to do is we need to exit this vehicle. How will we do that? Oh, so we need to teleport this character. How we do that is... simple. We take the... let's get a box collision. Why? You'll see why. I'll just say spawn area. Okay. So let's up the X. Wait, where's the? Oh, there you are. So it's inside the thing. We gotta up the X some more. A little further out like that. And then up the Y to about that. And up the Z to about that, but we don't want to spawn inside anywhere. I'll put it up here. Really? Yeah, just for testing purposes. You can fine-tune this on your own. Essentially what we're going to do is we're going to get a point with a navigable radius. We're going to get the box extent, etc. And then we're just going to teleport that point. Oh, okay. So, now that we have our player reference and we set it. We set it once we're possessed. We want to do something we want to use now. So we have to call the use key. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get player controller. I'm going to unpossess, and then we're going to set is possessed to false, because of course we do. We get the Astra Militarum ref. We say teleport. Now it's going to be asking for a location and rotation. Rotation, that doesn't fucking matter. If you don't, that doesn't fucking matter. What we need is the destination location. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in self. We are going to get actor location. I think we can also. Well, what about the random point? Yeah, get random point in navigable radius. What's the difference between the two? There is an actual difference. Trying to. Yeah. Should I do that? Well, let me see the other one. Oh God, I cannot spell. Get random point in navigable radius. Oh, random reachable. Yeah, there we go. So we can just get rid of this. Let's get the spawn area. Get box extent. Just plop that into there. Radius, you can say. I'll just plop it around like, I don't know, 200. Will we need this? I want to say maybe. We get that random location, plug it in. And then, what we need to get the player controller again. And this again. And we're going to type in possess. No, we can't type in possess on that one. We need to type in possess on this one. Possess. Not unpossess? Come on. Fucking possess. And it's gonna be you. It's gonna be you, baby. I don't know what the fuck I'm singing. Let's compile. And let's test this. Okay, so where are we? Is this it? Okay, so we're possessed. Let's use. What? Shit. It didn't teleport. Is that a bad... Oh, fuck. Mm-hmm. Try that. I'm possessed. Oh! Do you want to do the 200? Let's fine-tune this then. Let's just say 50. See what happens then. Oh, shit. What happened? We collided. Ow! No, we don't want that. So, let's try 100. Yeah, we're still colliding with the thing. Is there another way we can do this? Yeah. Like how? Okay, so in here, let's get the chassis. Let's get a billboard. And I'll just move this out to here. Okay. I'll move this up a little. Let's compile that. Oh, you can just say get that. Get world location. And we can just hard code it in here. Oh, we can? Yeah. Okay. Possess. And then. Oh, cool. Yeah. Possess. Boom. Sweet. Now make the tank move. Fuck you! They could just copy the fucking Chaos Rhino code. Boom. Sweet. And there we have it. How long has this tutorial been running? Can we do the iron sight aiming now? Alright. Yay. Shut up. Alright, so in here, what we need, how iron sight aiming works, Alright, so how iron sight aiming works is, essentially, you have a camera. There's a camera that's attached to the gun. There's more to it than that, but like more or less we can just do it here because we honestly don't have a gun to possess right now. What about that last cannon stuff? Nah, fuck you. So what we need is just get a camera, plop it there, rotate it, and let's move this like so. Let's move that there. Okay. Let's call this the iron sight camera. Iron sight camera. So in here, what we want to do is essentially just iron sight aiming on pressed. It'll be an ugly teleport, but it's fine for the time being. Now we're gonna switch it up eventually. Yeah. We take our first person camera. We deactivate on pressed. Shut up. Notifications. Jesus, they're all over the place with me right now, aren't they? Where's the iron sight camera? Where is it? Oh, fuck. Oh, there it is. So now we... wait. Fuck. I lost it. Oh, there you are. We take this and we say activate. You can reset if you want. We'll have fine tuning on this when I come back from break. But we also need to make sure the auto active is set to false. Okay. And now we want to activate this. We want to activate you. On released, activate. Thank you. And you deactivate. I don't think it's gonna follow our rotation though. Really? I'm pretty sure it won't. Yeah, it's not rotating upward. But there we go. Why isn't it rotating upward? Oh, it's because I have to attach. It's like with my Cyberpunk 2077 camera stuff. Oh, right. Yeah, I just have to I have to attach this. I just have to attach to component or whatever. Attach that. You can save that for fine tuning. Thank you for saying that. I'm going to do exactly that. It's fine. I'll just let me attach this thing. Attach to component. Target. Oh, fuck. Attach component to component. Target is going to be that. Parent is going to be... What are you again? I think it's just mesh. I think it's just called... Yeah, it's just called mesh. Alright, fine. So parent's just going to be mesh. Boom. Let's see if that'll work. Nope. Okay. Capsule them. Will that work? Trying to remember how to do this. Nope. You know, you could just, yeah. Fuck. Just save it for the rest of the. Yeah, but. Rotation. I wonder if I could snap it to target, see what happens. Damn it, I'm trying to remember how to do that. Why did you suggest they do iron sight aiming now? It's not the end of the world. Just keep the fucking, you know. I mean, I guess it's not the end of the world. They could always just refer. I'll put a link to it. It's under random fixes anyway, so it's not the end of the fucking world. You know what you should do? You should remake your you should remake your rail shooter tutorial. That I might actually do for Unreal 5. Oh, okay. Yeah, I might actually just do that. I mean, I hate looking at my old work, but yeah, it's no big deal. Is that gonna be free? Yeah, because since the rail shooter tutorial was free, I'll link to the Cyberpunk fixes, because that's literally how you do iron sight aiming. You just deactivate and then activate. But in terms of following the rotation, you need to attach it to something. I just don't remember what. I'm gonna try the camera. Get first person camera. I'm gonna try that. Will that work? Shut up, Cox. Fucking. No, that didn't work. Oh. Yeah. Shit, I'm trying to remember, but it's not coming back to me. Like I said, there'll be a link to the Cyberpunk stuffs, because that's literally how you do it. In any case, and yeah, end it here, narrator. And there you have it, game developers and boppers. Tune in next time for Doug Teaches Unreal Engine 4, and when after this is going to be Ue4. Out.